welcome back for another video. So today is part 2 of my SXC cosmetics review. Today we're going to be reviewing the pink color series. So we are going to start off with the instructions. It has how to prep, how to apply the glue gel, how to remove, and helpful tips. And inside we have a bag of essentials. Now this is like everything you need to prep your nails, apply the nails. Here we have the nail tips. And this is the lamp that comes with the kit. It is a 8-watt lamp. And that is the cord that comes with it. And that is the manual for the lamp. Moving on to the gel polishes. It comes with 5 shades of pink and then a glitter. It comes with a matte, a glossy top coat, and a cuticle oil, and a glue gel. All these bottles are 8 ml bottles. And last but not least, we have some rhinestones. I love when kits add these in. So we're going to start off with the cuticle pusher, and here is a brush. I call this a cuticle nipper. I don't know what another name is for it. We have some nail clips. That's not a nail clip. We have a file here, 180 grit file, nail clippers, and a rhinestone picker. Now here are the tips that come in the kit. There are 240 and the sizes, there's 12 sizes and they range from 0 to 11. And these are XXL coffin full cover tips. Y'all, these tips are amazing. They're very sturdy, the apex is very nice on these nails. These were very good quality nails. I'm not a big coffin person, but I rocked these. These were nice. The shape is beautiful as well. This is the nail glue that comes with the kit. I don't use the nail glue or the top coat or any of that. I use what I opened in the first one because I don't need to use both of them, but that is the glue gel. And here is the top coat. This is the glossy top coat. That is the consistency, pretty thick. I love SXC's top coat, and here is the matte top coat. And the cuticle oil. It has like a fresh scent to it. I love the smell of this cuticle oil. And we're gonna get right into the shades. This is 41. It's like a soft pink. 47 is like a rose pink, I would say, like a blush. Here we have number 49. The beautiful pink shade. It is lighter in the bottle than it is on that paper, but this is number 53. This is my favorite color out of the collection. It's like a burgundy, very pretty. And then 605 here is like a baby pink color. And then here we have SXC 07. This is like a red and like purple pink glitter. I'm really glad this collection came with a glitter. It's like sets it aside so it's not just all, pink shades. So here is the mini lamp. Like I said, it's an 8-watt lamp. It has 4 lamps on the top. You do press the button in the middle to turn it on. However, you cannot press the button to turn it off. You literally have to wait the 60 seconds or just unplug it. So that kind of sucks, but it's not a big deal. So I'm going to go in with my the glue gel that comes with the kit, and I'm going to apply the tips that came with the kit. So I'm just going to take my glue gel and apply a bit of that on the cuticle area. And then I start at the cuticle on my natural nail. I start at the cuticle area and I press down lightly. And then I cure for a quick 10 seconds just so it adheres to my nail. And then I do that with the rest of the nails. And I'm going to take this buffer that came in with the first kit that I showed you guys. I'm going to take that and just buff the shine off of all the nails. You can shop on the SXC Cosmetics website and use my code Nails by Chris to get 15% off. It only works on the SXC Cosmetics website, not on Amazon, but you can shop obviously wherever you'd like. But I'm just throwing that out there. You can use my code and save some money. Everything will be linked down below for you guys as well. So here's my nails after they're all buffed. After I buffed them all. I'm going to go in with that 3-in-1 glue gel and use it as a base coat. I put a thin layer of that on all the nails as well, and then I cure in the bigger lamp for 60 seconds. I will be having a part 3. When I recorded this one, I intended to do the rest of the products that I received from them, but I just didn't have the time. So there will be a part 3. It probably won't be my next video. It will probably be next Tuesday's video, just because I have something in mind for Saturday's video. So yeah, but I will link my first video so you guys can go watch that one. And stay tuned for part 3 coming. It will be next Tuesday's video. I am so grateful that SXC Cosmetics sent me all this stuff. I'm so grateful. I loved everything that came in the kit. Everything worked so well. So moving on, I'm going to use this number 41 on my thumbnail. And I do just use each color on each nail, on like one color for each nail. I do go in with 2 coats of each color. If you do get any on your skin, make sure you wipe that away. I just dipped my brush in some alcohol and just wiped away anything that got on my skin. I do cure all the nails for just a quick 30 seconds, and then I do a full cure at the end, 60 seconds, and I do that 2 times. 2 coats. I just couldn't decide on what color to use, so I was like, let's just use all of them. These nails though, the tips are amazing, and then like I said before, I'm not a big coffin. I like my square or my stiletto, but these were very pretty. The colors are like rich too, like they're rich and creamy, and they applied nice. I really like this color too. All these colors I think they go well with any skin tone, but this one in particular went really well with my skin tone. I liked it very much. And I'm just going to continue doing that onto the rest of the nails. I do want to mention also, guys, that I would love to do a giveaway, but I want to wait until I get at least 100 subscribers. I'm at 60 right now. So yes, I have the package ready to go. I just want to wait until I get to at least 100 before I do it. Watch my videos, subscribe, all that fun stuff. So after I finished applying 2 coats, I go in with the top coat that came with the kit. And I put a top coat on all the nails and cure for 60 seconds. And this is what they look like so far. I love every shade. All these pink colors. So here I'm going to go in with that glitter gel, SXC 07, and I'm going to do like a side French with it. And I do that with all the nails as well. I do make sure to take my brush, my cleanup brush, and just kind of clean up the side so it's more of a crisp side French. And this glitter goes well with any of the colors that come in the kit. So I'm really glad that I did each color, because that way you get a chance to see it on your skin and you can, you know, see what it looks like on you rather than just picking one color. So I'm just gonna let this play out, you guys enjoy, and then I'll come back when it's ready to move on to the next step. So that is what they look like so far after I'm done. I only did one coat of the glitter. So I'm going to go in with that top coat once again and apply another coat of that over just to encapsulate the glitters. And then I go and cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with this cuticle oil. I love this cuticle oil because it's not like thick, you know, it's not heavy. And a little does go a long way. And that's the set, you guys. Tell me what you think. Comment down below. Would you guys rock this set? Oh my gosh, that glitter is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. But don't forget, you can use my code Nails by Chris to get 15% off your order only on the SXC Cosmetics website. I'll make sure to link everything down below. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night. Stay tuned for part 3 and have a great day. Bye, guys.